Viral ngayon sa social media ang photoshoot ng isang school pageant sa Ilocos Sur. Ang tema, hindi basta glam, kundi boudoir-style photoshoot na agad umani ng samot-saring comment online.
Is it appropriate for university students na ma-involve sa ganitong klaseng concept which is boudoir nga, which is something sexually suggestive na concept of photoshoot?
Ang Bigan Online ang unang nagbahagi ng mga larawan at sa loob lang ng ilang minuto, nag-trending na ito sa social media. May nagsabing alak commercial ba yan? Meron ding Viva Max ba ito? At ilan pa, eskwelahan yan, bakit ganyan ang tema? Pero ayon sa ilang taga-subaybay ng pageantry at photography sa Baguio City, depende raw sa konsepto at pagkalahad. Si Brian Cesare Bayang, first runner-up at Miss Baguio Tourism 2025. Si Mia Magdalena Focno, teacher, writer at pageant columnist. At si Harvick Dominguez, fashion designer at pageant organizer na may kanya-kanyang pananaw sa naturang issue.
It's inappropriate for me, personally naman po ito. Because there are concepts that are appropriate for university students and there are concepts that are below the belt or sexually suggestive na. Kasi we don't want to show the students as something as like a sex symbol, or we don't want to suggest na they are showing off a certain concept to the audience kasi nga they are still students.
The swimsuits were beautiful. But in some photos, I found them suggestive and quite inappropriate for an academic institution. They could have been done better and tastefully, not to objectify the women, because that's what came to my mind when I saw the photos. So I hope that it will be done better. Kasi these photos were posted publicly.
Parang hindi siya bagay for university event. Dapat age appropriate siya, and then you should also consider kung ano ba yung pinaglalaban ng event. Pero given that, I still believe na importante pa rin yung constructive criticism.
Samantala, naglabas na ng opisyal na pahayag ang nasabing eskwelahan. Ayon sa kanila, aprobado raw sa kanilang pageant guidelines ang naturang konsepto at kagustuhan mismo ng mga kalahok ang ganitong tema. Layunin daw nitong ipakita ang self-confidence, artistry at empowerment ng mga kababaihan. Sa panahon ng social media, lahat ay may sariling lente at opinyon. Pero sana lagi ring may kasamang respeto. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Emil Peredo ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Baguio, the Music and News Authority.